Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and follow mouse cursor like me. You can see how you can do it. Just simply, I will going to show you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need to open any of your browser. You just need to select this Brave browser. You can see, you just need to select it. Click on this browser and then simply come over into this Google search option. You can see you just need to come over into here. And here you need to just search for Zoom Meet and then simply click enter, and then you will going to get this website. You can see over here we're going to get Microsoft Learn, microsoft.com. You just need to select this website, click on that, and then you're going to get this option called download Zoomelt. You just need to click on here. So I'm going to click on it, and then you can see it will going to be downloaded. I already downloaded this zip file, so I'm going to click on download again for showing you how it really works. So after downloading it, I'm going to go for the folder icon. Here is my, so I'm going to unzip it by click on the right mouse button, and then simply here click on extract all. So simply click on that and then click on extract, and it will going to open the Zoomelt. You just need to click on it 2 times to install, and then there will be a Windows pops up and you just need to agree it, and then you're going to get the zoom toggle over here. You can see there is a zoom toggle. You can simply press Ctrl+1 and it will going to open the Zoomelt. If you want to change it by your own choice, you can simply choose by your needs. So this is how we can simply zoom in and follow your mouse cursor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.